Well, good morning, Facebook. So, as I record this video, I had just sent out an email yesterday. I was talking about coffee, making SVGs. We're working on the fall SVG line right now. And I mentioned I was sitting around having some coffee, and it was a lavender latte. So, I thought I would jump on my favorite coffee mug and show you guys how I made my lavender latte. So the first thing I did was I used the Donut Shop coffee. As you guys are jumping on, tell me if you've ever had a lavender latte. So this is what I used. So I used the Keurig, I made coffee, and then I used a macadamia nut creamer that time, but you can, and I got that at Walmart or Target, and then the health food stores have it too, but I am all out. So today I'm using this little gem, which this is a coconut base, but it actually, like it says, it whips like whipped cream. So if you're looking for dessert that's low fat, did I share this with you? This is not a sponsored post, but it sure could be, Silk. So this is, I don't know if you guys can read that, probably not. So anyway, it has 45 calories, 5 grams of fat, and 0 carbs, and 0 added sugars. So that's kind of the key there. It's coconut oil and sunflower oil, and then a few other things. So that's kind of the base of it. But this stuff whips up really good. So you don't want to shake this really hard. So the coffee, that, and then this is the lavender that I used. And I wish you could smell it. It is amazing. And I got it from Amazon. So when I'm done with this video, I'll go back and post the link. But right now I'm having the urge to open this and smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so it is actually purple. So some of them I've seen that you get, they are kind of almost brown because they're dried, but this one is actually purple. So this is going to last me a lifetime, and it was like under $7. The other thing I used, and I will tag this below as well, is this little whipper thing. And it came with a few other attachments, and I'm not really sure where I put them because this is the only one that I use. So it's got 3 different speeds, and it is rechargeable, and I've had it for, I want to say 3 or 4 months now, and I've only charged it. Well, I charged it when I got it, and then now I charged it about 2 weeks ago. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pour some of my cream into a cup because I already made my coffee. I will just do this in my coffee, but I made that before I came on, so we didn't have to make the coffee live. So let me see. Can somebody throw a comment up so I can see if I'm getting them? But ooh, my alarm went off and I had to shut it off, and then it went to a different screen. I thought maybe I lost you guys. Okay. Let me see if there's any comments coming up. I'm not sure. So if anybody asks questions, I might have to come back and get them because I'm on my phone. I'm in my kitchen. Okay, so this is totally whipped. Isn't that awesome? This is delicious. You're going to love this. Do we deliver? No, but you can come over and grab one, Krista. So this is the other thing I'll link on there. So this is a steep, what do they call it? This is to steep tea, I guess. So, and it's a little note, so it hooks on the side of your coffee cup. But this is what I do my lavender in. And I don't do very much. So maybe about, I don't know, a teaspoon? Probably not even that. Isn't it adorable? It's so good. It smells so good. You guys are gonna love this. Thank you for commenting so that I know it worked. And I should have did this while I was, see? Isn't that cute? My son was in jazz band and they sold coffees and teas. So we got this so that he could have the tea that we got. So this is all I do is just steep it back and forth. And it already smells like lavender, you guys. Delicious. So while we're waiting for this to steep just a second, tell me if you are on here and you're a crafter or a business crafter and you're looking for SVGs, tell me which ones you like because I'm struggling with what to do. Do we do graphic tees or do we do DIY things so that we can make things to hang on our walls, like right over there. Oh, and stay tuned because I have a really cute DIY that we're doing in here. Probably the next week. So usually that spot in the kitchen that I just showed you, and thank goodness you couldn't see the pile high dishes in the sink. Usually that's where I do some sort of DIY every month, every other month, and then I hang it up so that it adds a little bit of seasonal fun to our kitchen. So tell me, if you guys are DIYers, would you rather have graphic tees, cards? Cards seem to be my jam too. I really love making those designs. Something fun but easy to create, but then at the end they look like they are, like you spend a lot of time on them. So, oh, it smells so good, guys. Alrighty. And then I just, whoops. So there is the lavender, and you could probably save that and reuse it, but like you've seen, I have enough lavender that y'all could come over. We could make lattes for everybody. And then all I'm gonna do, this is my messy counter. Welcome to my kitchen. Sometimes we need a pot of coffee and sometimes we need a cup of coffee, right? So again, it is so I don't know, do you guys love Cool Whip? I love Cool Whip. So this is what this creamer reminds me of. And again, that one is at Walmart or Target or any of those. And then I gotta get every last drop off of my spatula. And that is my lavender latte. Krista says, whatever I can. I need help decorating my walls. That's right, because you just painted, right? But you made it super cute. Did you hang up your DIY? Did you hang up your Scrabble letters with all the kids' names? If you did, you should post a comment on here and show everybody. So cute. All right, there's a lavender latte, guys. They super easy to make. They seem so fancy and healthy. Like instead of adding the syrups, which I have, and I think they quit making it. So this was my go-to. Hazelnut. That right there was 80 calories. And that wasn't even the creamer. That was just the syrup alone. So I'm super excited about these. I'm going to go get busy. I have a few things. We need to do the top coat yet. Okay, I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see it on the wall with the pictures too. All right, so I'm gonna go get to work. I have some graphic design, I have some newsletters to design, and then to get back on the fall SVGs that are coming out. So watch your emails. If you didn't get the email on Sunday, go check your spam and then send a reply, because if you, and I will change the comments and put a subscribe thing up above in the description. So if you're not on our email list, you can get on there. But when our SVGs come out for the fall, we are not doing any new SVGs right now. They won't be dropping till about the middle of August. And when we do, you will have first discounted rates. So if you're on our email list, you're gonna get some amazing coupons and then some quick early bird deals. And then the SVGs will, populate through the rest of the month. So I'm excited about them. There's some really cute ones. I love everything pumpkin. I have to figure out if I can do a pumpkin latte next. Not that you want to follow Shelly for recipes. I'm more of the air fryer with the chicken nuggets kind of a girl. So, but this one worked out great. So thanks for joining me. Have a good week and happy Monday.